Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Early in the morning, y'all. I'm coming from that direction, real strong. I came out here with this Mustang here. I did a little modification to it, y'all. I extended this control surface for Aileron on the wing there out a little further to the tip. I figured I had to give it a little more leverage when I'm banking and mainly when I'm rolling. I figured that'd help this thing fly a little better in acro, so I came out here to test it, brought you guys along. It's kind of chilly out here and a little windy. Might be a little too windy for acro, but I just want to do some rolls and see how well it rolls and everything. So let's get this thing up in the air, y'all. This phone is heavy as heck, y'all, to be on my hat cam. I need to get me a smaller phone. Got a fresh prop on here. This thing needs an on and off button on it so it can be turned on and sat down for the accelerometer to kick in and level and everything. Okay, so I think we're down. It still says it's doing the binding process. Okay, so we got throttle now. Not sure if we can take off. The wind is coming from that direction, so let's try. A lot of debris on the road there. We're in the air with it. Not too bad in wind. Let's try to roll it over here. Can't really tell in all this wind, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. It is rolling, yeah. I was actually having a hard time rolling, so it is rolling faster. Can say that. We're way up there. Bring it down a little. Let's try another roll in the wind. The other direction, let's try. Yeah, it's way too windy for this little thing, y'all. You can see all the turbulence on it. I don't know how I'm gonna bring this thing down for a landing, y'all. Trying to bring it around. We're gonna have to bring it up and back around this way for a landing. Sheesh. Let's see if we can get some wind pushing us backwards. Back this way. Let's try to turn around. I just went for the grass, y'all. So not bad, y'all. It seems like this thing flies a little better, has a little more aileron authority with that extra wing surface right there extending out. I just loosened up this little area right here of the wing you know, carved out a little of the foam there, bent it up and everything, made it really loose, and then I glued it to the end of the other surface. And so now it has a little more leverage. That control arm is supposed to be further out to the edge of the wing to give this thing a little more leverage anyhow. So I'll just figure out how to improve it. You guys know I tinker with everything. I love flying this little warbird. A little too windy to keep it in acro for too long. I would say this thing was flying well though. Pretty awesome deal. Can be found on AliExpress. I'll have the link in the description for this AliExpress find here. It's actually a binding fly available there. And that's how I got this thing. I'm flying it with my Devo right now. You can fly it with a multi-protocol transmitter, the jumper or anything. Radio Master, whichever one you have. Thanks for watching.